Please introduce me yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Mona Lisa Calpito, married. I have two children, both boy, 5 years old and 1 year old, from Bagao, Cagayan, Philippines. I have two brother and two sister. I am the second of the family. I graduated at Bachelor Science Information Technology, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have a work experience as a sales lady from Viltec Motor Sales Corporation since 2016 up to 2022. Then promoted as a area sales leader 2022 up to present. 10 years in the company, sir. My duties and responsibility as a area sales leader, assist to customers' needs, data gathering, how to improve sales performance per month, and then canvassing to other competitors.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. If you hire me, I do my best, and I'm a hardworking, honesty, and responsible people. Thank you.